Hello, students. A warm welcome to all of you. Today, we are going to start with the lesson Work and Energy. Now, if I tell you to stand at one place and you're standing for a very long time, will you say that work is done? No, obviously not, because you're standing at one place. So, there are some activities here you can see pushing a wall, standing still while holding a heavy weight, reading a book. Normally, you would say that all these activities involve doing work as you would get tired if you do them for a long time. So, for example, if I tell you to read a book for 2 hours, obviously mentally you are very much tired, but you are physically sitting at one place and reading a book. If I tell you to walk for a very long distance, that time you are moving and you are walking. That time also you'll feel tired, but you are physically tired. So these two activities are different. Reading a book makes you mentally tired, and walking to a far distance makes you physically tired. So, what is actually work? So, this term work is used in physics and it has a different sense in physics. So, what is this? So, when do we say that work is done? For example, work is said to be done. So, for example, if I have to move a box, to move a box, I have to apply a force. If I apply a force on the box will move. In which direction the box will move? So here you can see this girl, she is moving, she's trying to move a wall. Okay, this boy is picking up a box. Okay, this boy is carrying heavy load. So to move, when you apply force to a box, that box moves in a particular direction. वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है? इट मूव्स इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ force, in which the direction in which the force is applied. So when do we say work is done? What is work? In physics, work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes that object to move through a distance in the direction of force. So this is the actual distance. हम कब बोलते कि काम किया? If you apply force on that object and that object moves in the direction of force, that time we say that work is done. Now, therefore, although you are reading a book, it involves lot of mental work. So, it will not be considered as work done in physics. क्यों? Because you are reading, you are not applying force, and that force is not moving the object in a particular direction. So reading a book is not considered as a work in the language of, in terms of physics. But if you are pushing a box and that box is moving due to the applied force in a particular direction, that time we say that work is done. So similarly, if someone is holding a heavy load but does not move through a distance, but he gets tired after some time, but no work is said to be done. So if you push and try to push a wall and that wall does not move, so this girl, she is pushing a wall but the wall is not moving, so work is not done. She is reading a book but work is not done. This boy is holding a heavy load but work is not done. So when do we say that work is done? When, see, this boy is picking up a box from ground. So picking up an object from ground, then climbing the stairs, walking and running, stretching a rubber band, squeezing a balloon or a ball, or so that the shape will change. Here in this, here when you squeeze a ball, it changes the shape. So when an object due to force moves in a particular direction, that time we say that work is said to be done. Now this work is related to energy. So how it is related to energy, that we will see. So how do we measure this work? So measurement of work. So how do we measure the work? That we will see. Okay. So to determine work, now how, when we say work is done, when force is applied and that force applied moves the object in particular direction. So see here, the amount of work which is done, it depends on two quantities. First is the force applied and second is the distance through which the object moves. So work done is given by W, which is done when an applied force F, capital F, moves a body in particular direction through a distance S. S क्यों बोला है? S is displacement. Displacement is a scale vector quantity. Q वेक्टर क्वांटिटी बिकॉज इट हैज़ मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन. तो देखो हमने बॉक्स को पुश किया तो वो पुश कहाँ पे होता है विथ फोर्स, जो डायरेक्शन में हम फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं इन दैट डायरेक्शन it moves. So it has a particular direction. So when an object has magnitude as well as direction, that time we say that it is a vector quantity. So distance is S. So work done W, it is equal to, it is the product of force and the distance. So W is equal to F into S. So here you can see W, she is carrying a basket, she is applying a force in this direction and the object is moving in this direction, therefore it is distance S. Okay, this is the distance which she has traveled. So now force. So force का SI unit क्या होता है? Newton. And what is the unit of distance? That is SI unit of distance is meter. So the unit of work done is Newton meter. So see here, the unit of work done depends on the unit of force and the distance. So SI unit of distance is force is Newton and distance is meter. So SI unit of work is Newton meter. Here you can see SI unit of work done is Newton meter. So this Newton meter is equal to joule, remember. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So that is 1 Newton meter which is equal to joule, capital J is the symbol. So therefore 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton is acting on an object and that moves the object by 1 meter in the direction of the force. So this is the unit of force. SI unit of force is Newton meter, that is known as joule, and work, the formula for finding work is equal to force into displacement, that is W is equal to F into S. So consider yourself pushing a table with a force 60 Newton that moves a table through a distance of 0.25 meter. So work मतलब क्या? Force into force is 60 Newton into distance 0.25 meter. So 60 into 0.25 it comes out to be 15 Newton meter, that is equal to 15 joule. Newton meter is also known as joule. So work done कितना हुआ? 15 joule. Okay, so go through this properly and read the concept. Now let's see the next concept.